Alright, we are creating a brine for our turkey. We're making a lemon rosemary infused salt and pepper turkey. Basically, seasoning on the turkey is just going to be basic salt and pepper. But the infusion of the flavors in the turkey, we're going to use some lemon. We got some lemon here. We have some rosemary, a white onion. We have half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of kosher salt, some crab oil, and some hot sauce. So let's get to it. First things first, let's cut the lemons up. And in this pot right here, we have, this is probably about 64 ounces of water. We're gonna go ahead and take our lemons, seeds and all, squeeze them in there, drop them in there. Squeeze them in there, drop them in there. 2 rosemary. We're gonna kind of break them up a little bit to activate the flavors in the rosemary. We're gonna drop it right in there. 1 onion. This is a white onion. Actually, it's a white Peruvian sweet onion, peels and all, right in the pot. Well, this is all about flavor. We're gonna take our half a cup of brown sugar. This is light brown sugar. In we go. Half a cup of sea salt. In we go. Let me get this out the way. And then we've got some crab oil. I'm gonna use probably about a cap full of crab oil. Just gonna add a little zip to it. It's just gonna add something that you, gonna want, trust me. And then any kind of hot sauce. And I'm gonna probably add, this is probably gonna be, that may have been like a half a cup of hot sauce. And I don't have anything to stir it around, so what I'm gonna do now, stir this around, take this to the stove, heat it up, and then we'll let it cool, and this is what we'll submerge our turkey in. So stay tuned for the next step. All right, we're gonna bring this to a boil, and once we bring it to a boil, then we're gonna put some ice in there to cool it down, and we'll drop the turkey. One thing I also forgot is a clove of garlic. You're basically gonna take a clove of garlic, cut it in half, and drop it right in there. So don't forget your garlic. Garlic and turkey go hand in hand. All right, here we go. I'll let it come to a boil, probably, set on the stove until it came to a boil, and I took it off, and I'm gonna let it sit here and cool. And then after it cools a little bit, I'm gonna stick some ice cubes in there to kind of drop it back down in temperature. Or you could just let it sit out and cool all together. You just don't want to stick the cold turkey in the hot juju. But man, when I tell you the flavor is incredible, it's intense. All right, our turkey brine has cooled. You can see we got our lemons, got our rosemary, onions, all that good stuff. It's cool. It smells really, really good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 9-pound turkey breast. This is a 9-pound turkey breast, and we're gonna submerge it breast side down right into that liquid. In this case, we're gonna turn it on its side. And we're gonna put some weight on it to keep it down. And that's it. We're gonna stick it in the refrigerator, brine it overnight, and we'll get back to cooking it tomorrow. Stay tuned. All right, our turkey has been removed from the brine. We let our turkey brine for 24 hours. So what we have here is we have a peeled onion. The peeled onion is going to be in there to actually just hold this turkey upright. So the process is pretty simple. Some good oil. In this case, we have some extra virgin olive oil. You can use whatever, canola oil, whatever. This is only here just to help this salt and pepper rub stick. And again, this is just salt and pepper. That's all we're using. We did a good brine on this turkey, so this turkey will have plenty of flavor. And it's just salt and pepper. That's it. All right. We're gonna take our onion, and when we get in the pit, our onion is going right under there just to hold it upright. That's it. All right, our wood choices for today is gonna be some good old peach wood and some maple wood. The maple and the peach will play really good together. You got the sweetness from the maple, and you've got that kind of strong flavor like hickory from the peach. So peach and maple on that turkey. All right, first thing we want to do is stick our onion in. That's what's going to hold the turkey upright. Put it in there. I think I may have to drop it one level. Let's see if this lid is going to fit. But yeah, I'm going to have to drop it down. So stay tuned. All right, we just 30 minutes in. I just want to take a peek at it. Oh yeah. Getting good, getting that beautiful maple color that maple gives off. Maple gives off a nice little mahogany color on meat. So we're gonna keep on letting it ride out. Y'all stay tuned. We still got about an hour to go on that thing. Yeah, boy. Alright, we're about an hour and 15 in. Getting that beautiful color, man. And I forgot to mention, I'm running about 300, 325 on this thing. But look at that color. Let me see if I can get in on that color. Look at that. That thing is beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and temp it while I'm sitting here. Let me go ahead and temp it. See what I'm looking at. Yeah, I ain't nowhere near there. So I'm gonna let it keep on. Alright, y'all, I'm losing my daylight, but I just want y'all to see, man. Look at that color, man. Look at that color. That's the back of it. Look at that color. Color popping, man. Still got about 25 minutes left on it. This is about 1. I just tempted this about 160. We're going to 170. Yeah, boy. And just like that, folks, we are done. I don't know if you can see that. 169, 170, all the same. Well, look at the color on that thing. So I'm going to take it out, let it rest. It's getting kind of dark, so I may actually cut it tomorrow, but we'll see. But right now, it's sitting at about 170.01. We're going to take that thing out, but it's beautiful. There she sits. I just want you to know, we put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on top, and it's just straight salt and pepper as a seasoning. But as you can tell, look at that peach and that maple wood. It gave it a beautiful color. This thing was brine for 24 hours, so when I tell you it's super juicy, it's super juicy. So I don't know, we may cut it today, we may cut it tomorrow, but y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be some fine eating right here. Yeah, boy. All right. Here's our turkey, right here. I let it sit in the refrigerator overnight because I was never intending to use this turkey as a hot turkey. I was intending to use this as a cold turkey to make sandwiches with. So, nothing left to do but to take it off, put it on the cutting board, and let's cut it. Beautiful turkey, man. It still smells really, 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 really good. So let me go ahead and start cutting. Let's see what we get. Look at that. Beautiful slices, man. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Really good texture. You can tell that brine really, 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 really helped it out tremendously. It's a good turkey, man. It's a good turkey. It beats going to the store and buying that crap that they have in the bag. This is a good turkey. It smells really, really good. Look at there. So, I ain't nothing left to do but to taste it. Nice bark, little cuts of pepper in there. Dynamite, man. So let's taste it. All right, bagged and tagged it. There we go. Sandwiches on the way, baby. And this right here, the carcass that's left over, I got a pot of greens that this is going in right here. Do not throw that away. This would be perfect to make you a good stock for some greens or some beans or whatever. Yeah, boy. There it is, man. Look at that. Thing is money. Money, man. Smells really good. You can smell that. Man, you can smell that brine is intense. It's deep. You can taste. Oh, hell yeah. That's money, man. For a turkey sandwich, if you're gonna eat it cold, or if you're gonna warm it up, mashed potatoes and gravy, money. That maple and peach work really good together. That's money, man. So thank y'all for joining me, man. Smoked turkey breast, baby. It's almost the holiday season. So as always, good food, good vibes. Yeah, boy!